Hey guys, it's Ria and I'm back with another video. We're just gonna get right into this lovely wig. Okay, get into the layers. Do you see the layers? Period. So if you guys would like to know more about this wig, stay tuned. All right, so I purchased this wig from Sam's Beauty. So this is the Outre Noelia, and this is how the information card looks. This is in the color DR for Champagne, and I am definitely loving this color, loving the blonde mixture. So this is the wig. It is 18 inches according to the information card. This wig does come in different colors, so it comes in 1B, 613, and then it goes into different types of colors like chocolate swirl, cinnamon spice, black cherry, honey brown, and ginger copper. This is initially how this wig looks. I didn't do too much with this wig. I simply put a little bit of concealer on the hairline and the middle part here, and then I just added a little bit of baby hairs at the top. So I didn't do too much. I didn't want to do too much with this wig, but yeah, so this is my initial review on this wig. First things first, starting off, straight up the bag, when I was brushing the hair, there was a little bit of shedding. I'm not gonna lie, it's about a few strands, but yeah. So this is a lace front wig. I can show you guys the construction inside of the wig. You'll see this in this next clip here. It says that this wig is pre-plucked. Not sure about pre-plucked. You know, it looks all right. I'm not gonna lie. It looks all right, but it definitely could be better as far as the plucking goes in the front. It says that this hair does take up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which I did put a little bit of heat on this wig. I put a hot comb on this wig. I was just trying to kind of play around with how the wig would look if I was to style it in a different way. I was kind of going for like a half up, half down type of look. And that's something that you guys will see in the next video when I do a styles video on this wig. But yeah, I mean, so far so good. Besides the little shedding that I encountered, I think this wig is very cute. It's definitely giving that 90s layered look, and you know, I'm loving it. It's very different from what I'm used to. Not gonna lie, I do wish it was a little bit longer. I feel like it would like really look cute as far as the layers go. It does say that this lace is HD. I didn't really have too many issues with having this lace blend in with my natural skin tone. Like I said, I just put a little bit of concealer on the middle part, and that was all that I did. I didn't use any spray tint or anything because, as I mentioned, I didn't want to do too much on the wig. As I mentioned, I did purchase this from Sam's Beauty. I will put on the screen how much I paid for this wig. Wasn't too bad. As far as shipping goes, this hair did ship pretty fast. I bought it, I think, on a Friday, and I think I ended up getting it, no, actually I think I ordered it on Thursday and I ended up getting it on Friday. But other than that, it is amazing as far as the shipping goes. Let me know like what type of styles I should do. I'm gonna make a styles video with this wig. I already have the half up, half down look kind of going that I want to do, or I have an idea for, so just let me know. But yeah, I definitely love the color. I am very impressed with the color choice that I picked, but I just think this is a very cute summer wig. It's very short, you know, it's not too long, so the hair is not all on your back and you're sweating. Definitely think this is just a really cute hairstyle if you know, wanted like an everyday look with a little bit of spruce up. So yeah, so far I am loving the wig. That is my initial review on this wig. This is not the last time you guys guys will see this wig. As I stated, I will be making a styles video to this wig. So let me know what you guys think about this wig in the comment section down below. If you do have this wig, let me know how it's holding up. How are you liking it? Let me know everything in the comment section. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my video. I did kind of pause on making videos just for 1 week, but I'm back on the schedule with posting once a week. So you guys, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified when I do post, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.